Hello everyone and welcome to this new episode of Know Your Grants. My name is Antoine Giroir, I am a Senior Grants Consultant at Layton, Canada, and today I would like to talk with Canadian SMEs, startups and academic research institutions working on biologically based innovation that seeks to enhance and leverage the use of naturally occurring molecules. As you would be interested in the Proof of Concept program offered by Natural Products Canada. With this grant, you can get up to $250,000 to cover for 40% of eligible activities costs for a project that would have a maximum duration of 18 months. To be eligible under this grant, your project needs to have a technological readiness level ranging from 4 to 9. If you're engaging in basic research activities, this grant is not for you. We are really looking for projects that would result in the production of unique intellectual property that would enhance the demonstration of commercial feasibility for the innovation, whether it is a product or a technology. To give you a simple idea of what this grant is really about, there are some examples available on their website of previously funded project. One of them is, for example, a company that wanted to test the safety and the efficacy of its prebiotic for the animal feed industry. The idea here was to replace an antibiotic. Another company received the funding to scale up and gather the certification required for the production of its black soldier flies protein, again, for the animal feed industry. Really, what this funding is meant for is the development, the commercialization, or even to de-risk subsequent investment that would later on achieve previously stated objectives. The applicant will be required to cover the remaining 60% of eligible costs. It will also be required for successful applicants to pay project administration fee of 5% of the total project cost. There are also a couple of requirements depending on the nature of your project and entity. If you're a Canadian SME and startup, you will have to showcase that you are able to generate between $10 to $15 million of yearly revenue within a reasonable period of time. Reasonable being defined during a conversation with the agents. If you're a Canadian academic research institution, you will need to be able to showcase with a market analysis, any kind of report, whatever data you have, that your innovation will have a strong impact on the market. Whether you are answering a need or you have identified a need, everything works as long as there are economic benefits to this project. Once we have demonstrated the potential revenues from this innovation, we'll have to demonstrate that your innovation will also have impacts on other sectors, whether it is an impact on the health of communities or on the environment or even on the inclusivity of your own company. If you are to hire more women, more indigenous people or visible minority, this will be good for your project. The last requirement is that any applicant must be a member of the cluster. This is very easy to do. You will find all the information you need on their website. The last point I wanted to make, again, reach out to the agency. Schedule a meeting with the agent, introduce your company, introduce your project, introduce yourself, build a long-lasting relationship, as they will be able to give you some instructions specific for your projects and how to complete your application. Of course, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to Layton or directly to the NPC. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful and I will see you in the next one.